this is Katina, and in this arpeggio tutorial I'm going to show you how to play a 2-octave A flat major arpeggio. We're going to start down here with everything down, F, da 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 da, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky for the A flat. So we have A flat, and then lift up to C. Roll your index finger here to the E flat. You barely want to move. E flat, I see a lot of people playing it with their fingers all the way out like this. You do want to keep your fingers curved and close. So you have E flat right here, then roll into the A flat on the side. Same trap. I see a lot of A flats played like this. It's really hard to play arpeggios with your fingers straight up in the air. Keep them close, especially when you go over the break because you're going to move into C. If you noticed, I used C with my left hand key right there. You can see it. This is your alternate fingering so that you can go to your E flat right here, which is your top right finger. Then you have A flat at the top. And even if you have that alternate A flat key, you'll find that it's a trap if you use it in this one because you need to get to this A flat at the top. So we have A flat going back down, E flat. Then there's your little C right there on the side. And you have side A flat right there, fingers curved and close, and E flat right there, C, A flat. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or requests, please write them below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.